Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to just review a little bit about what we've learned so far this week. We've learned about the four layers of the earth and also about plate tectonics. The reason we're learning about these things is because we are thinking and discussing how the earth's surface changes and talking about some theories that scientists have come up with. The first thing we learned were the four layers of the earth. We have the inner core, which is a solid, the outer core, which is a liquid, the mantle, which is neither a solid nor liquid, but it slowly moves, and then the crust. Now, we also learned about two types of crust. There's the continental crust, which is the land, and then the oceanic crust, which you would find at the bottom of the ocean. We also learned that the world is divided up into plates. This is called the theory of plate tectonics. And there are boundaries between those plates that sometimes collide, sometimes they pull apart, sometimes they slide past each other, and then sometimes they slide under each other, which is called subduction. All of these interactions between the plates cause different scenarios in the earth. So it causes different reactions within the earth and different kinds of changes. This is just a fun song that I found that we're going to use to review our content. Watch it closely and listen for some of the terms that we've learned in this unit so far.
Hey yo, you ever thought about what's beneath the Earth's surface? Wouldn't it be crazy if we could dig a hole straight through? Well, I hate to break it to you, but you can't. In reality, even the deepest holes we dig are just barely scratching the surface of the Earth. But what we can do is study the layers of the Earth and talk about plate tectonics. You with me? Come on. The Earth is made of rock, but it's not that simple. There's four layers to it, the inner core's in the middle. It's made mostly of iron, you gotta love it. Very hot yet solid due to the layers above it. They cause pressure, keep it real solid. Next up, the outer core is what I call it. Less pressure, but real hot, so it's liquid. Free flowing metal. Is this picture vivid? There's currents in the molten rock. After the core is the mantle, it don't stop. It's mostly solid with two parts. Listen here, the asthenosphere and the mesosphere. The asthenosphere is a very thin layer. Can you dig it? Very hot and nearly, but not quite a liquid. That's the key fact. Let me tell you why, homie. It lets the Earth's top layers move above slowly. See, the crust is the very top layer. It's part of the lithosphere. Better care. It's broken into huge rocks called tectonic plates. They can shift and affect the Earth in big ways. Follow me, you got to learn about the Earth more. From the only rapper hotter than the Earth's core, inner core, outer core, mantle and the crust with the tectonic plates. Everybody listen up. Follow me, you about to learn about the Earth more. From the only rapper hotter than the Earth's core, inner core, outer core, mantle and the crust with the tectonic plates. Everybody listen up. Now that you understand the basics, let's face it and talk about what happens when the plates shift. See, beginning around 1600, geographers noticed something crazy and wondered. The continents from all sides of the planet used to fit all together like a puzzle. Understand it was a theory, so they studied their rocks and their fossils and said there was a supercontinent that was colossal, called Pangea, one big landmass where the continents were grouped all together in the past. And tectonic plates cause continental drift. It means the continents move when the Earth's crust shifted. See, these plate movements cause land formations and ocean floor features on Earth. It's amazing. Today they still move, pushing up against each other like a kid and big brother in the car on vacation. The borders between plates are known as faults where earthquakes cause shakes. And I don't mean malt scientists use a seismograph to record the magnitude. It means size, but I call it earthquake attitude. Movement at the fault, I should say so. Also causes deep trenches and volcanoes. Come to LA, I got a place you can stay. Just don't let the earthquake scare you away. Come on, follow me, you about to learn about the earth more. From the only rapper hotter than the Earth's core, inner core, outer core, mantle and the crust with the tectonic plates. Everybody listen up. Follow me, you about to learn about the earth more. From the only rapper hotter than the Earth's core, inner core, outer core, mantle and the crust with the tectonic plates. Everybody listen up.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. Did you notice some of the terms that we've learned so far? Tectonic plates, the four layers of the earth, inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. Inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. He talked about the boundaries between the tectonic plates, and those are also called faults. A fault is where an earthquake happens, and it showed the different ways that those tectonic plates can collide, and subduction and pulling away, which causes the lava to spew up, and then it forms. What kind of rock forms after the lava cools? Do you remember the name of that rock? Starts with a B. Basalt, right? I hope you said basalt. That's the new rock that forms next to the boundaries of the tectonic plates. I've enjoyed teaching this lesson to you. I hope you've enjoyed learning it. Now, let's get on with some more learning today. See you later.